Good morning, boys and girls. Please make sure that you have uploaded your sentences with the additional words, as a few of you are still missing this. So before you start your test, please can you upload that to your handout section. Right, let's get going. The first spelling word is correspondence. Our correspondence continued for 20 years after we had met in person. The first word is correspondence. The second word is deterrent. Garlic is a well-known deterrent to vampires. The second word is deterrent. The third word is bachelor. He was a well-known bachelor amongst social circles. The third word is bachelor. The fourth word is disastrous. Half of the city was destroyed by a disastrous fire. The fourth word is disastrous. The fifth word is feasible. Currently, it is not feasible to be on school premises. The fifth word is feasible. The sixth word is miniature. A miniature model of the castle was created with modelling clay. The sixth word is miniature. The seventh word is formally. Mrs. Brathwaite was formerly known as Miss Jackson. The seventh word is formerly. The eighth word is view. There was a beautiful view of the sea from the hotel room. The eighth word is view. The ninth word is benevolence. The chief features of Albert's character were benevolence, simplicity, and independence. The ninth word is benevolence. The 10th word is melancholy. The melancholy silence that followed was broken by the sounds of children's voices and laughter from the next room. The 10th word is melancholy. The 11th word is despondent. He became increasingly despondent as the ship sailed further and further away from him. The 11th word is despondent. The 12th word is morose. She was morose and silent when she got home. The 12th word is morose. And that is the end of your spelling test. Please upload your papers to handouts, or you can get a parent or guardian to mark your words and send me the scores. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.